Get my daily exercise in. Have a bit of that. Come on. You take that. Yeah. Take that. Take that. Yeah. Take that. Yeah. Have a bit of that. Oh, I'm tired. Maybe that's enough for today. Maybe not. Ah! So, isolation's over. What will lockdown bring? Bird. So much of the same, really. What else is there to do? God, I'm sick of this plant. Ugh. Come on, door. Open. I know that's how it opens, but why is it not doing anything? How on earth does this work?
You alright there, mate? You okay, fella? Is this working? Can you hear me?
He looks like he may have been in isolation too long.
Are you talking? Hey, are you talking to me?
Did he hear that?
Try this.
What was that? Has he cracked it? Is he communicating? World's first talking cat. Evolution through lockdown. Is this what they mean by the new normal? I really want to go outside. I know that sound. The door is open. And I'm going for it. I've missed fresh water. So much better than tap. Been a while since I've been out there. Might have a look. Here we go. What's that? Oh, it's alright. What now? Just need to settle down. What to do? What to do? I give up. Back inside we go. Who's this? Hope he remembers the rules. We stayed home. Now stay alert. Let's remember 2 meters. Okay. But who's this behind him? Okay, safe distances. Stay alert though, just in case. Still not sure about this. He's on the move. Oh, well that's one down. I've got an escape route if I need one. Oh, and there we go. All is well. And this is more like it. Wait for it. Bird! Oh, too heavy-footed, Mike. Smells like there's others around. Guess I can sit and wait it out. Ah, game on. Oh, it's good to get out. Hang on a minute. Who are all these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. I'm not sure I like this. He's coming over. Social distancing. Social distancing. Social distancing! Back to safety. Who needs that? Not me. Bring back isolation.